I'm here with another unboxing today from Thompson, and today we have the kangaroo motion sensor. It says, kangaroo, hello, we're security made simple. HeyKangaroo.com. And then there's their logo right there, and their website down there. And what this is a motion sensor. They send you a little decal sticker, little pamphlet bookmark about the company, and then they send you this, the motion security thing itself. And this says it detects people, not pets. You have to download a app for your phone to be able to use this. And you get a 14-day free trial to test it out to see if you like it or not. All the information for where I got this will be listed down below. Please like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, tick the notification bell, and you'll know when I post a new video. All my social media links are listed below, so if you have a question, you can either shoot me a message there or leave a message on the video, or send me an email. And have a good day.